This is how to factory reset, master reset a Samsung Galaxy A11. All right, let's get into it. We're going to hold the volume up and the power at the same time. 1, 2, 3, go. We're going to let go as soon as the Samsung logo comes on. I'm going to bring up the Android screen with the menus. We're going to use the volume to scroll down to choose wipe data factory reset. We're going to use the power button as a OK. It's going to ask us to confirm factory data reset. We're going to push power button to confirm. Now we're going to look down here. Data wipe is complete. And then we can reboot the system now by pushing the power button for OK. If this has helped you, please subscribe. Please give a thumbs up.